Hey everyone, I'm attorney Kyle Kaufman, attorney at hkklawoffices.com. Welcome back to our channel. In this video today, I'm going to answer the question for you: if you have a child with somebody else and you're not having placement, can I call the cops to get my placement? Before I answer that question for you, if you like what we're doing here, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and leave some comments. All right, so here's the scenario. You have a placement order. You're not getting placement for whatever reason. The other parent is interfering with placement or withholding, and you call up the attorney and you say, hey, can I call the cops and so I can get my child? My short answer to this, I'm not going to make you guys wait for it, is yes, you can call the cops, okay? Nothing wrong with calling the cops. Will the cops do anything is a different question. Is calling the cops the right answer is a different question. Is that the right thing to do is a different question, okay? So yes, you can call the cops. Will the cops actually enforce the order is a whole different thing. I've been doing this for 18 years. Most of the time, I can't speak for all of law enforcement, they're going to say, hey, this is a civil matter, we're not going to enforce it. Sometimes they will go by. If you go by the parent's house and demand placement, they'll show up and say, well, we'll be there as a peace officer, but it doesn't mean that they will actually help you always enforce that order. The second thing to think about, is that the right thing to do? Do you want to show up to the other parent's home demanding placement with a police officer there? Do you want your children to see that? Is that really right? And are there other means to go about this the right way? If you're not having placement, why are you not having placement? Why is the parent denying the placement? Is the parent right to do that? Wrong? What violations exist? Before you take action and call the cops and show up at the house with the cops and demand the placement, talk to a lawyer about if that is the right and reasonable thing to do, because I've seen people that hire me after they've done this and they've already created a mess. It's a dilemma, a problem, and it just kind of permeates throughout the entire case and makes it difficult. So before you take that action, consult with a lawyer like me. We'd love to talk to you here at HKK Law Offices, and I hope you like this video. We'll see you guys again. Thanks.